After years of dedicated research and development, ACMOS is proud to introduce a revolutionary new mold coating, ACMOS 43-9014. The coating is unlike anything the industry has seen before. By using ACMOS 43-9014, defects such as loading marks, incorrect thickness of glass or cracks can be avoided, and swabbing cycle can be extended by at least 2 times. This is not only 1 to 2 hours after the job change, but during the entire production time. Let us show you how to apply ACMOS 43-9014 for the best results. Step 1. Mold preparation. Proper cleaning of the mold surface is a must for an optimal application and a long service life of the coating. We recommend first blasting with abrasive materials, such as sand, metal balls, or glass beads, and then repolishing manually in case the mold surface seems to be too rough after blasting. After that, the mold surface should be degreased with a chemical cleaner like ACMOS Sol 130-28 to eliminate possible dust and grease residues. Step 2. Coating preparation. Stirring or shaking of the container content before applying the coating is essential. Stir or shake the container of ACMOS 43-9014 well before use. Please do not stir permanently. Step 3. Application. ACMOS 43-9014 can be applied by a compressed air spray gun. Use a pressure regulator if needed, as the air pressure is essential here. Spray ACMOS 43-9014 on the shaping mold surface in a thin layer. 1 coat is sufficient to achieve the required effect. The motto "less is more" applies here perfectly. Consider the distance between the spray gun and the mold, which should not be bigger than 20 centimeters. The coating should still be wet, forms a shiny, mirror-like layer, and only dries on the mold surface, not before. Drying can be recognized by the layer color, which changes from dark when still wet to light gray. If the pressure is too high or the distance to the mold too great, the coating begins to polymerize in the air, which has a negative impact on the layer formation in the mold and therefore on its performance. Do not touch coated areas before and during the installation of the molds, as this interferes with the hardening process of the coating and degrade its performance. No polymerization in an oven needed. Heating the molds to the final operating temperature before installation supports the curing process, but it's not necessary. The final hardening takes place in the machine while contact with the first gob. The best results could be achieved if ACMOS 43-9014 is used with ACMOS lubricants. ACMOS 48-403, ACMOS 48-405, ACMOS 48-407 lubricants for blanks, ACMOS 40-412 lubricant for neck rings, ACMOS 48-141 lubricant for final molds. Let us convince you of the performance of our products and contact our specialist to discuss the benefits and savings in your production process. Free samples can be made available on request. Thanks for watching.